Hey, what's up, good sir? Okay, so yeah, here's the video explaining the one over one. Basically, what I was trying to explain to you is, the lick is obviously okay. So that's the lick. That's the 1 over 1 thing, right? That's what the homework is. So what I want you to do, I think of it in 4 different sections. The first section, you're starting with your right hand on the floor tom, and then bass, and then your snare gets involved, right? So it's this lick, right? That's it. So when you're doing that exercise, that first section, it's up to you how you want to look at it. Technically, there are 8 hand hits. So you can look at it that way if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the first section. Or if you want to look at it another way, it's 4 times with your right hand on the floor tom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So however you want to do it, either 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can look at both hands and you'll get 8 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the first section. Second section is 8 hits with your right hand on the floor tom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you only get 8 times of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the second section. The third section is the same thing as the first one, but instead of starting with your right hand on the floor tom, you're going to be starting with your left hand on the snare. Same thing still applies though. You're going to get 8 hits or 4 if you just look at the left hand. So if you're looking at both hands, you're going to get 8 hits, but I'm going to be starting with my left hand on the snare. 1, 2, 8. We're going to think about both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, or you can look at it like 4 hands with your left, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's that section. That's the third section. Then the fourth section is the same thing that you were doing on the floor tom with just your right hand, but you're going to do it with your left hand on the snare, and you get 8 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, if you were to string all of those together, I'm gonna count. I'll do both ways. Okay, so first I'm gonna count everything as 8s, and that's how in your brain you should be kind of looking at it, because that really is what it is. It's 8 hits with your hands, but then obviously your foot is in between it, so it's 16 notes, which equals 1 measure. Anyways, so we're going to do section 1, section 2, section 3, and section 4, put them all together, and in my brain, I'm going to count it out loud, but you don't necessarily have to count it out loud when you do it, but you should be at least counting inside your head, making sure you're getting the correct amount of hits per section. So we'll just do it, we'll do it, and I'm going to count to 8 while I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? The other way, so that's all of it strung together. The other way you could do it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's basically that. That just helps me make sure you're getting the correct amount of hits in there per different section. So let's
1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and
let me I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to slow it down to 60.
1E and 2E and 3E and 4E.
I'm going to slow it down even more just so it's a little bit easier to follow along with. I'm going to go down to 40 BPM, and I'm going to count out loud both ways. So let's do the first way where I'm going to count 8s through the whole thing.
1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it restarts. And then it restarts. So those 4 sections, then you just replay it, obviously. I'll do it the same thing I just did, but now I'm going to count 4, 8, 4, 8. Technically it's 8 hits, but sometimes you can get a little bit lost if you're counting to 8 with this section. Sometimes it's easier to go 1, 2, right? So let's see here. I'm going to do it at 40 BPM, same thing, but I'm going to count 4, 8, 4, 8.
1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and
1,
E and
2,
3
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop. So when I'm doing the exercise, if I'm doing it faster at like 80 BPM or 100 BPM, am I actually counting that out in my head? Not really, because I've counted it out enough times at a slower tempo where my body kind of has memorized making sure that I'm hitting the correct amount of times. Right, so I'm just going to speed it up. Let's go up to 80 BPM. And I'm doing the same thing we just talked about. 8 hits, 8 hits, 8 hits, 8 hits. Or 4, 8, 4, 8. However your brain wants to think about it, doesn't matter. You just need to make sure you're getting the correct amount of hits per measure, right? Per bar or per section. So 80 BPM, I'm not going to actually count. At first, I'm not going to count out loud. Then I'll count towards the end of the video, just so you can see. It doesn't matter how fast you do it. That's what's happening in my brain. And my body knows how many times I'm supposed to be hitting.
1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 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 1E and 2E and 3E
All right, brother. So hopefully that helps. I'm going to send you this video. If this does not make sense, please let me know. And that's that. Hopefully this helps.